Hi, Philip from TW White & Sons. We've been delighted to acquire this superb Suzuki Vitara 1.4 Boosterjet SZ5 manual, finished in Galactic grey metallic. It's one owner from new. It's done 8,900 miles. It was registered on the 17th of May 21. Beautiful condition vehicle this. Last serviced in February of this year. It will undergo, or has undergone actually, 101 point used car check, where we check everything. Condition of the vehicle's brakes, front brakes, discs, pads, rear brake discs and pads. We check all the vehicle's electrical systems, the wipers, etc. It's a lovely little car, this beautiful SUV, very well made. Features Suzuki's hybrid technology. You've got an excellent load area, 60/40 split rear seat system, all the load area covers in place. All the plastics inside here are unmarked. This car will come with a Suzuki approved used vehicle warranty, encapsulating roadside assistance. It's in beautiful condition. Let's just have a look inside. Being SZ5, it's top of the range. You've got this electric retractable sun blind, which works like this, and this electric panoramic roof with these SZ5s. It's top specification this. Wait for that to go back, and this roof opens, which on a day like today is a blessing actually. Look at that. Beautifully engineered, faultless in its operation. In here you've got leather and suede interior, Alcantara suede interior. You've got electric windows all round with one touch facility on the driver's window. Sitting inside the car, engine stop start button, lane departure, radar brake support, traction control, parking sensors, fog lamps. Beautiful spec this. We've got the engine running here. Be a good opportunity to actually turn on the AC, air conditioning system, which I've now turned on actually because it is roasting. Very straightforward instrumentation to show you a little bit about it. Left hand side is tachometer, rev counter. Within that gauge is temperature. On the right hand side you've got the speedo. Within that you've got the fuel gauge. Central display here, which can all be changed, which I'll show you in a minute. You've got auto lights and indicators here. Mode button for the stereo, volume controls, integrated Bluetooth with voice control, lane keep assist, lane departure warning. You've got radar brakes, radar cruise control, which is an intelligent cruise control system. Works really well. Will sense vehicles in front of you, etc., and slow the vehicle down as appropriate. You've got here auto wipers. All the wipers are concentrated on one stalk, so ergonomically superb. The wipers are auto wipers with variable speed on the intermittent, rear wash wipe, etc. This central display, there's a button here, we can change all of this, but you can see here it gives you various statistics, stop start statistics, clock, motion front and rear, torque and power, accelerate and brake, the hybrid technology, and a blank screen. Now if I keep my finger on this button here to the right of the binnacle, it takes you into the vehicle's sub menu, so you can adjust things like how you read distance in units, how the fuel economy is read, what language you want to operate this car through, fuel reset, temperature, how that's read, sensors, clock setting, door locks, lights, TPMS, tyre pressure monitoring system. You've got traffic sign recognition here on this vehicle, various other items. Back button takes you back into that. So a really great highly comprehensive instrumentation system. I've turned on the lights, actually gives us a better view of this internal system here. Let's just show you the air conditioning, which works really well. You've got air conditioning, just set up the temperature you want, so you want it on 16. Press automatic, the air will be distributed around the car according to the internal temperature in here, and the fan speed adjusted automatically accordingly. You can adjust this like a manual setup. People do that, but to be honest, a lot of people just run it through the auto climate control. They let the system do everything for them. If I want to come off auto, there's the auto, just adjust the fan, takes it off it. You can adjust it like a manual system. A mode button where you want the air to go, you see, very straightforward. Off, AC, recirculate or take the air from the outside in, demist, heated rear window. It's simple. Down here, USB plug-in, 12-volt power plug-in. You've got a 6-speed manual gearbox, which is a delight to use. Suzuki transmissions are very, very smooth, very short throws between the gear. Cup holders, etc. Handbrake, storage facility in there as well. But beautifully finished. You've got this nice carbon fibre, almost carbon fibre aluminium effect dashboard. But a great specification. Fabulous. Look, let's look at this. This is a touchscreen, but you can adjust it through here as well. But very simple DAB radio. If I want to set the press the center, and you can tune into almost anything you want. Radio 1. 6 presets you can have per waveband, so you've got AM, FM, DAB. And if you go into the cog sign here, you bring up a sub menu, so you can go into your sound settings, adjust bass, treble, fader, balance, equalizer presets, speed dependent volume control, will adjust the sound to compensate for any road or engine noise. Home screen, sat nav, really good sat nav system here. The map looks like this, very clear. Press that again, put in the address, points of interest. Actually, points of interest is what we really want. So if you wanted a petrol station, for example, comes up with all the different petrol stations close by. Highlight the one you want to go to, execute the command, and away you go. But a really good sat nav system, very simple to use. And again, a cog button here on this source can take you into the sub menu, where you can go in and mess about with route options, guidance and map settings, position and GPS information, points of interest and geo coordinate format, etc. Home screen, integrated Bluetooth with voice control, Bluetooth your phone to this. Again, sub menu brings up displaying of incoming text messages, phone ringtone, etc. How you sort your phone book out. And you got this smartphone linkage, so, which I love personally. It's got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You don't get this on all of these, all cars. So you plug your phone in using a USB, and you'll get most of your icons on your phone on this central screen. So if you want to interact with WhatsApp, if you want to interact with your Spotify, this is a good way to do it. Spotify gives you access to hundreds of thousands of songs and albums. Also, if you've downloaded Google Maps or indeed Waze navigation, I strongly recommend that. It's an excellent sat nav program, which interfaces with this vehicle perfectly. You can do voice command through it. It will warn you of potholes, stop vehicles. It will take you to quickest route, so any delays are reported, along with speed cameras. There's warning for speed cameras, so it's really good. So you've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Android connection priority, but it will take Apple CarPlay. There it is. And obviously you've got your reverse camera, front and rear sensors on this, and you can see you've got the reverse camera coupled with the rear sensors, makes it all so easy. But really great car, really well finished, got everything, and it's only done 8,940 miles. Doesn't need a service. It was serviced back in February. It's got 101 point used car check done on it, so you're safe in the knowledge that this fulfills Suzuki approved standards. There it is, the Vitara SZ5 manual. If you want to find out more details about this car, please go onto our website, which is www.twhiteandsons.co.uk. Thanks for watching.